Good morning, everyone. I'm Hugo. We are going to have our English assembly. May I please ask you all to stand up and say good morning to Principal Siu, teachers, and classmates.
Good morning, Miss Sue, teachers, and classmates. Hi, I'm Janae. Let's start with the verse of the month, followed by the morning prayer. Continue praying for us. We feel right about what we do, because we always try to do what is best. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 18.
Close your eyes, bow your head, and pray.
Our Father in heaven, help us to honor your name. Come and set up your kingdom, so that everyone on earth will obey you as you are obeyed in heaven. Give us our food for today. Forgive us for doing wrong, as we forgive others. Keep us from being tempted, and protect us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen.
Please sit down. I can't believe we're already at the end of January.
Yeah, me neither. Have you made a New Year resolution yet?
Yeah, I did it. It's important for Year 6 students. I promised myself to work hard and get into my dream school.
Well, that's nice. For my New Year resolution, I decided to do more sports, be more healthy, and be more active.
That sounds great. Good luck to you. Talking about sports, do you know we have our school sports day next week?
Yeah. Sports Day is next Tuesday on the 27th of January.
Yeah, I can't wait to watch too. My classmates and I have been working on some chants to say on Sports Day. Do you want to? We want to encourage each other to push ourselves. Do you want to have a look?
Yes, of course. I thought you'd never ask.
Let me invite some of my friends to come on stage to help. Six goodness, bright and bold. We hope, we dream, we're gold. With hope, we dash, we score, we fly. Six goodness, reach the sky.
Wow, that was great. Did you make one for my class 5 goodness too?
Of course, I thought you would never ask. 5 goodness, pure and right. We shine bright, day or night. Jump for joy, sprint for glory. 5 goodness, our story.
Wow, that was awesome. Did you make one for our entire school too?
Of course. TPBPS, hear our call. Please BPS, we stand tall. Fierce as fast, no one can stop. To the top, we climb non-stop. Fierce as lions, swift as wind. TPPPS, we always win.
Wow, that was great, awesome, and positive. Thank you so much for sharing some chants for us. We hope to hear different chants on Sports Day.
Let's pass it on to Mr. Chris.
Okay, so thank you, Hugo, Janae, and the boys for, for working hard and contributing to our morning assembly today. Yes, Janae and Hugo, they were talking about the sports day, right? Yeah. So, are you guys excited about sports day? Yeah, so I hope we can hear your different chants on Sports Day to encourage your classmates, okay, and actually everybody in our school. Right, so Sports Day. Actually, this year's Sports Day is going to be a little bit special. Do you guys know why? No? So it'll be special for me, for the teachers in this school here. Oops. Okay. For the teachers in this school here, and also the teachers in Mingyan and the students in Mingyan. Do you know why? Don't know? Oh, okay, Ashley, what do you think? Families will come. That could be right. Let me tell you then, okay? So basically, we'll be all together again. Okay? So I miss our P2s and P4 students, and I'm sure the teachers here do as well. Yeah? And the teachers in Mingyan will also miss the students here. So it is going to be very special. So what I want to say is, I can't wait to see you P2 and P4 students. Do you think we can say it together? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Can't wait to see you P2 and P4 students. Thank you. Yes, I really can't wait to see you next Tuesday. And that reminds me, I was looking on the internet and there was a nice little quote about Sports Day that I want to share with you. It goes like this: winning isn't everything, but wanting to win is. Okay? Now, winning isn't everything, but wanting to win is. What's that mean? I was going to tell you. Right, it's from a very famous American coach, football coach, Vince Lombardi. Now, what it means is, we don't have to win. There's always only going to be one, first place, second place, or third place. Okay? But what we should do is, we should want to win. We should focus on effort. Effort means how much you put in. Okay? How much energy you put in. Don't put 50%. Try your best. Give 100%. It could be in sports or it could be in school. Okay, so, oh, you've got a dictation coming up. I'll just revise for like 5 minutes. No, put 100% effort in. So, try harder, guys. Okay, try harder. So, aim bigger. So just like if you can read little books, try to read thicker books. If you can run 100 meters in 20 seconds, see if you can run a little bit faster. Okay? So try harder, guys. And lastly, that way you can change the way you think. Okay? You can change your personality. So before you might think, oh, I can't do it. Oh, I really cannot do it. It's too hard for me. But you change that personality, okay? Change the way you think. You can do it, and you will do it, okay? So that's what sports tells us. Okay, so what I want to do is, can we say the quote together one more time before we go? Is that okay, guys? Everybody? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Winning isn't everything, but wanting to win is. Lovely. Thank you very much. And I'm going to scroll to the end. So remember, today is Friday. And we need to speak in
English.
Right, okay. Have a good day. Thank you so much. And I'm going to pass the time to Mr.
Okay.
who will speak to us in English. Right, Mr.
好，唔好意思啊，因為呢個重要嘅宣佈咧，所以要用翻咧廣東話嚇。咁同學，如果你早前咧透過通告咁申請咗咧係參加呢個小企鵝要回家呢個木偶劇咧，同學你係今日會收到有關嘅門票嘅。請你將啲門票放喺手袖入邊收藏好，翻屋企俾翻父母。咁亦都請你咧寫翻好手冊，老師咧要派咗啲派咗啲門票啦。得唔得？希望同學咧好好欣賞咧呢個木偶劇啦，得唔得 ？OK，we are finished. OK, stand up and then turn around.